This is the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pashurdiz. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. All eyes will be on the Bank of England today. This is one of the smaller meetings without a press conference or updated economic forecasts, so any seismic policy signals are rather unlikely. Still, there is a risk that the Bank of England upgrades its language around the economy, which is firing on all cylinders. Demand is booming across the UK as consumers have been unchained, and the latest PMI surveys suggest this powerful spell of growth is likely to persist. Meanwhile, inflation already breached the Bank of England's target of 2% in May and seems destined to keep accelerating thanks to raging supply constraints, according to the same surveys. As for the pound, it got knocked down lately as the dollar came back to life, but the longer-term trajectory seems promising. It was an eventful session in the FX arena. The dollar took some early fire after a disappointing round of PMI data, only to bounce back once investors digested the encouraging details of those surveys, with some hawkish Fed commentary adding fuel to the move. The market composite PMI fell in June. However, the details reveal that this slowdown really comes down to companies being unable to meet demand because of worsening supply shortages, not any cooling of the U.S. economy. With supply disruptions getting worse instead of better, there is a very real risk that inflationary pressures continue to snowball, forcing the Fed to accelerate its normalization timeline even further. Echoing this exact view was the Fed's Bostic, who argued this inflation episode may take longer to fade and that he's in favor of a rate increase next year already. Wall Street remained in a holding pattern near its record highs on Wednesday. The incredible resilience markets have shown to signals that the era of cheap money is drawing to an end suggests there won't be a taper tantrum this time. It's going to take more than a super slow normalization cycle to make stocks bleed. Over in energy markets, crude oil keeps going from strength to strength, even following reports that OPEC is looking to raise its production by 500,000 barrels a day in August. With prices trading at these levels, market participants apparently feared an even bigger supply hike, making this a positive surprise. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.